stress, anxiety, depression rates in children and teenagers are increasing. These are some of the post-pandemic effects. Not knowing how to deal with all this in a healthy way, children and teens tend to become irritated quickly, use excessive technology, get involved in illegal acts, and have suicidal thoughts. That's why your school decided to take action on this matter by bringing you sessions, parenting sessions, to deal with all these behaviors effectively on this date and time, and we would love to have you there. And join our WhatsApp group through our QR code so we can be able to communicate with you. We want to congratulate you for your tenacity to continue training, and someday you get to harvest your hard work by raising responsible, capable, and successful children and teens. Thank you, and we hope to see you in our parenting training session. See you there, and share this video with more parents. Bye-bye.